Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have more space to show you how you can do that. And now just with your 2 fingers at the same time slide here to the center, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Tap there, and here as can you see we got the all available widgets that we can add on our screen. And for example you can add the clock one. Just tap here on this widget and you'll see the widget here on your screen. You can move widget here, just hold for a while and drag it here to the position where you want to add the widget, or also you can move the widgets here between the screens. As can you see we got here the widget. Also you can move the widget between the screens by the second way. Just drag it here to this down screen sections, and for example we wanna move widget here to the second screen. Just by this way you can do that, but here we have a lot of space, so that's why we can't do that at the moment. And also you can, if you wanna, you can remove the widget. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. And now just as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.